Yeah, hi Glenn, it's Mark at FMAV. Just let you know I've done your jukebox laser for you. What I've done is I've given it a good clean as well, and them cogs. I've changed one of the smaller cogs because it was so cacked up. I don't know how it was working anyway. It looks to me like this one could have been in a club or somewhere. It's had a lot of use, quite a lot of use. I don't know whether there's been smoking with it or whatever, but there's, where people have been, around smoking. That's what makes me think it's a pub one. But it's all working now without any faults. Got it playing here on a bench. Yeah, so I've changed the laser for you as well. So yeah, it's all working. It's your unit. Again, you got your 6-month warranty on it. On the work that I've done. So the work that I've done, like I say, I've replaced the laser with a new one. Changed the cog, a small cog for you. Yeah, so yeah, like I say, you got a 6-month warranty. So any problems, we repair that free of charge. As long as it's the parts that that are at fault or something's gone wrong, we repair that free of charge. All we ask is the postage, but you shouldn't get any problems with it anyway. So they should see you for many years to come yet. So yeah, as soon as I get payment, I'll send that one out for you. Thank you very much.